Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Now, this is Washington Street heading northbound. Part 2, phase 3. Excuse me, guys. Phase 2, part 3. Now, you see that? It's only 1 block long, guys. Let me show you where I am. But before we keep going, I'm gonna show you going south. Back down there, that's where the 9/11 memorial is, guys. That's where the 2 biggest towers in the world stood once, but now they're just pools of sadness. So yeah, basically back there is the foundation where the 2 towers used to I'd rather not talk about it, guys, because it's kind of sad. When I was younger, I used to work as a messenger, and a couple of times I used to go on the south or north tower, and I used to be up there. So yeah, I know that. But yeah, that was the foundation where the 2 big towers in the world used to be. Now they're just pools of memories. So yeah, that's back there. And now, when I keep hearing Washington Street, northbound, phase 2, part 3, I will begin the journey now. Coming up at Washington Street, Bessie Street, heading northbound. Phase 2, part 3. And there you have Marshalls back there. Now, as you can see, it ends up there, guys, and the other block. Just like what you saw on the southbound. So we're gonna finish the video on the other side of the street. And then 4 blocks below that will be the fourth, part 4. Okay, guys, we're gonna finish the video here. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in a few again. Bye.